Open the front cover. Your machine could be different, but the procedure is the same. Remove the toner and drum unit assembly. There are no screws, tabs or hooks, just remove it. Separate the old toner cartridge from the drum by pressing the green lock lever. This machine has two separate consumables: toner cartridge and drum unit. You have to change only the drum. Take the new drum. Remember that the drum, this brown or green roller, is really delicate, and the light could damage it. Clean the corona wire by gently sliding the green tab from left to right and right to left several times. Be sure to return the green tab to the home position, where there is the arrow. Insert the toner cartridge into the drum until it clicks. Reinsert the toner drum assembly into the printer. Close the cover. The work is done. This drum unit has a chip. The chip will automatically reset the counter. There are no reset procedures.